Here's an example of a massive two-tendon tear, supra-and-infraspinatus. Some of the bursal surface is intact of the infra. Here we're cleaning off the soft tissue from the greater tuberosity. We see the retraction here of this two-tendon tear with the entire footprint involved. We like to utilize a biological concept here. You see multiple perforations in the cortex medially and laterally, similar to a crimson duvet type technique, except all of this is going to be touching the tendon with no inert material interposed. The tunneler is deployed anteriorly, capturing a passing suture. Here we're localizing the posterior inferior portal very low there to allow the appropriate trajectory for the middle tunnel. Sutures are shuttled through the tunnels. Multiple tunnels with sutures shuttled medially. Lateral view of the same, 3 tunnels with multiple sutures for this large tear. Here we begin passing sutures in a configuration which will allow us to utilize this shuttling technique here for a double inverted U type repair. Posterior view of the final construct, the entire tendon repaired transosseously. Here's the lateral view, multiple sutures, complete coaptation of the tendon here. Intra-articular view shows anatomic reconstruction of the tendon into its normal location on the greater tuberosity.